make you love me. It's a secret just between us, we can keep it low-key. Oh my gosh. Yeehaw! I can't say it like that. Whoa. Yeehaw, everybody. It is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. As you guys know, it is February, which means it's time to spread some love. Okay, yeah, love, because it's Valentine's Day. I don't have any love personally, but you know, there's love for myself and my heart of hearts, so it's cool, I guess. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on this simple-ish, pretty Valentine's Day glam. It's really cute, really fast, honestly. This has hair on it, I'm sorry. If you just want to like do a quick little cut crease for your boo, you can do it, you know what I'm saying? So like, it's cute. Just follow this tutorial. Just keep on watching, okay? I love you guys. If you like the video, if you're excited, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you don't forget anytime that I post, okay? Let's do it. All right, guys, let's let it rip and let's get started. So this is a look about love. This is Valentine's Day glam. So we're gonna start with some pink because what did I say? This is about love. I'm gonna start with this brush. I'm going to start with a pink color. Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. I didn't even set my flipping eye. I love being insane. Do you guys want to come closer? Is this better? I can't hear you, so I'm going to assume you like it. So, like I was going to do, we're going to start with You're Kidding, and we're going to pack it in the crease, okay? I say pack and then I start blending. This is what I need to work on. Okay, so now do I pack on the lighter color now? So I'm going to pack on pink, just a hot pink. Pack it up on top of the red. I think this does work really well, wow. And now I'm gonna blend it out before it bothers me to poop. And then all the color goes. Okay, I'm just gonna pack the red on more so the color shines through. I'm getting a little small smidge, like, can you even see it? Like, barely any pink, okay? Barely. And then I still dab it off and just going over that. Now we're going to deepen this red with some purple. So I'm going to get the shade, oh, isn't it called escape, I think? Yeah, I'm gonna get escape, which is escape, but I like to make my own words. And I'm literally barely gonna put any purple in here. It's just to deepen it. You literally aren't gonna be able to see that, so I don't give a flub. A flub, excuse me. Yes, I drink water out of a coffee straw. Get over it. I don't give a care. You heard it here first, kids. I don't give a care. I'm gonna cut my crease now and stop talking for a little bit, because clearly I have to talk because this is a tutorial, so. I almost put this under my eyebrow. I'm crazy. I need help. Help me, please. And it's a half cut crease, of course. We don't do a whole cut crease because what the flip is that? Okay, now I'm gonna set it. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with escape for a second. Go above where I cut the crease and just blend a little bit. Now I'm gonna get this. This is something someone gave me. Thanks, girly. It's from Faux Color.
No.
It's from Faux Color Beauty. It's loose pigment and it's in the shade Mauve Pearl. So I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna spritz that. Beautiful. Just like, look at this botch. It's better to like stamp it on than to like wipe it on. Wipe? That sounds like you're wiping your butt. Now that I've got that on my lid and everywhere else, I'm going to get escape once again, and we're going to meet escape with the crease, with the cut, with the lid. Wow. Now I'm going to blend this out because clearly this looks stupid if you just leave it like this, so we're going to blend it out. And also I'm going to get the pink color, is it Love That or Pinkity Drinkity? I'm going to transition that into the lid for some dimension. Okay, I'm going to put on my eyeliner and my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm back like really fast. I just put my eyeliner on. I'm gonna put my lashes on after I do this eye. But okay, so let's do the under eye. So first I'm gonna do something fun. So I'm gonna get the pink color and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. So instead of doing like white or something, I'm gonna do that. Does that look fun? I hope so. Just got some eyeshadow on my eye. Can you see it? Ew. Like, is it really bad to get makeup in your eye? Will it harm us in the long run? Does anyone even know? There's gonna be like a big group of people in the future like having really bad eye problems because we all put makeup in our eyes. I feel like I get makeup in my eyes more than the average human though because my eyes water. I'm going to get a scape and I'm going to just put it underneath. Okay. So that's there, and now I'm gonna get So You're Kidding, which is red, and go under that. And now I'm going to get the pink color and go underneath that very lightly. So kind of like, I'm sorry, I'm like, looks like I'm picking my nose, but I have to like get the snot before it drips onto my face. So I love being disgusting. Now I'm going to mix face with ring light, I think, and I'm gonna put it in my brow bone and my inner corner. And this is the finished look for the eye. So I'm gonna do my other eye and then I'll be back, okay? I just realized that I may or may not have already done this look before, but we're not gonna talk about it, okay? Thank you. So both eyes are done. It's time for my lipstick. I already put on highlight. No. Every time I do this all the time. I'll do red. And I'll put some gloss on it, all right? I'm gonna let this dry. What's the point of letting it dry if you wanna just gloss it up? I'm gonna put the gloss on now, okay? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is my Valentine's glam makeup. I hope you guys use it. Maybe you won't. Maybe, is it too hard? I don't know. I don't think it's that hard. You can do something simple. You don't have to do the cut crease part. You can just put the shimmer over it, you know? So then it's easier. If you struggle with cut creases. Maybe you don't, maybe you're talented and you're just watching this for pleasure. I'm just gonna stop telling you what to do, but I'm not, because I'm gonna ask you in a second to like and subscribe. So let's just do that. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button so you're notified anytime that I post baby cakes, okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I hope you enjoyed this video. A new video will be coming soon. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.